We have a roll of about 130 at Pukeatua Primary School in Wainuiomata. We also have a full immersion Te Reo Māori unit as well as general school. Technology is ever changing, as is teaching is ever changing. If we're not introducing them to technology, to possible career paths at this early age, by the time they're getting to high school, their career pathways are already sorted.
We have incorporated lots of learning experiences with the children to do with technology. The kids love it. They love the hands-on learning things outside the classroom.
So by using things like Tinkercad, they're producing something that's been 3D printed that's theirs, is engaging them. By doing research on things like rockets and then being able to build a rocket and see it fly.
3, 2, 1!
In about 2021, N4L first began looking at our network system that didn't have that seamless connectivity.
Sometimes we'd be able to access the internet and other times you couldn't.
Since the upgrade, our connectivity around the school is fluid. Whole classes can go online at the same time and we're not having that lagging experience. You're building the next generation of kids who are interested in technology. We've got children who know more about programming because they're already in it at home and using things like Scratch. They're teaching the other kids. They're coming in and they're actually the teacher in the class.
We try to encourage that a lot at Pukeatua because we have years 7 and 8s as well here and we want them to take that leadership role.
Students have grown in their confidence around technology. When they come in, it can be a bit daunting to be able to use a laptop. When we're using devices, when we're allowing them to use the knowledge, we can better build our children up to be participators in a global community and show that they are participants, not just users.